The desert sun can push a metal roof to the point where repairs stop working, making a metal roof replacement in Oro Valley, Arizona necessary. Fasteners back out, seams separate, and once water gets beneath the panels, the decking begins to rot. At that stage, a surface patch no longer solves the problem. Arizona's extreme weather puts local roofs through a harsh annual cycle of intense UV exposure, temperature above 100 degrees, and monsoon winds and hail. That stress builds up over time. Warning signs that replacement is the right call include standing seam gaps, rust eating through panel faces, leaks in multiple areas, and flashing that is cracked or pulled away. When two or more appear together, the system is typically failing. Across Pima County, homeowners often spend on repeated repairs that only last a season or two. A full replacement using quality materials costs more upfront, but it eliminates constant storm-related callbacks. Golden Roofing Arizona is a licensed, bonded, and insured roofing contractor serving Arizona homes. We also help manage the insurance claims process from inspection through final settlement, so paperwork doesn't fall on you. We provide fast, no-obligation inspections and easy financing to lessen your financial burden. Is your metal roof showing these signs after a severe storm or heat wave? It might be time to invest in a metal roof replacement for your Oro Valley, Arizona home. Contact Golden Roofing Arizona today to schedule your free inspection.